Hello, it's early May in Hay-on-Wye in this beautiful area of Wales at the Welsh borders, and today I've come to Rookwood, which is a local wood, to see how the bluebells are getting on. So let's go and have a look, shall we? The reason why I'm coming to look for bluebells today is that I'm planning on getting my Botanical Illustration workshop lot to draw them in a couple of weeks, and this is exactly the right stage for the bluebells to be at. They're not about to go over, and they're very beautiful. I'm delighted. So, when you're looking at bluebells, one of the really important things to know is whether you're looking at a native bluebell or a garden cultivar. So this is a Spanish bluebell. The main difference, the easiest way, well there are several differences. This is the native bluebell. Can you see how it's droopy and the flowers are kind of drooping over? Whereas this, the Spanish bluebell, is much more erect. Another real giveaway is the stamens. The inside of the native bluebell has pale creamy yellow ones, whereas the Spanish bluebell, the one that people have in their gardens which escapes, they're kind of a greenish blue. So I've looked around and I've found a bluebell which sums up what bluebells look like to me. So I'm just going to do a quick sketchbook study which I'll film. Right, so I'm finished doing my bluebell studies. I'm going to be honest, I really struggled and I definitely needed to dissect out the flower before I could figure out what was going on. But it's very, very interesting. So there's a stamen attached to each petal, 6 petals, and when you dissect it out, things make a lot more sense. There are other woodland flowers that are out this time of year as well. This is Lesser celandine. It's a relative of the buttercup, and you can recognise it by these little low heart-shaped leaves and the shiny yellow flowers. In fact, these yellow bits, they're not actually petals, they're sepals, but it's one of the earliest spring flowers to flower. And a herb Robert in flower. Okay, so this plant is exciting. This is called moschatel, or town clock. And can you see, it's got extraordinary, they're almost like square little flowers. That's why they're called town clock, because each flower points in a different direction on the flowering head. There's quite a little clump of them here, and although they're not uncommon, it's lovely to see them. I don't see them that often, so I'm really pleased. Violet. Wood anemone. I've been looking for these. They're always here, and they're beautiful, beautiful woodland flowers. Very pleased. Dandelion. This is one of my favourite woodland plants, wood sorrel. It's not in flower, instantly recognisable by these trifoliate leaves it's got, and it is very, very delicious. It tastes sort of lemon. It's very lovely. Thank you very much for coming and enjoying the bluebells in Rookwood with me. This is what I love doing more than anything else, is taking my sketchbook out and drawing things out in nature. It's not something I get to do as much as I'd like, but I absolutely love it. I'm passionate about it. If you'd like to see more examples of my work, please check out www.lizzieharper.co.uk. And thank you for taking the time to watch this film.